Hey guys, Mitch here from Shark Leathers. Just going to do a quick overview on our new SCS S-11, some of the features and how to use them. So come up a bit closer, here you'll see our new intercom with a built-in camera, nice sleek design, looks good. Now let's show you how to use it. First of all, we're going to turn it on. I'm going to push this big S11 button here with the intercom button at the same time. You'll see a blue light flash. Once that comes on, you know it's turned on. Now what we're going to do is connect it to our phone. What we're going to do is hold this same button down again by itself and you'll see a blue and red fast flash. When it's doing that, you know it's in pairing mode. So what we're going to do is grab your phone, go into your Bluetooth, you'll see SCS S-11. Click on that, give it a few seconds and it'll pair. Once it's paired, this stops flashing and has a slow blue flash, like so. So now you can make phone calls, listen to your phone, listen to music, make phone calls, whatever it is. Next thing we're going to do is turn the camera on and connect that. So at the top here, you've got 4 different buttons. You've got your volume buttons for your intercom and stuff, your power button for your camera, and also to start recording. We're going to hit this power button. You'll see it turn on a solid red. Once you see it turn on with a solid red light there, you know she's turned on. Now we need to put it in pairing mode. So what we're going to do once it's turned on, hit that power button again, and it should go to a blue flash. Once it's in your blue flash, we want to get our phone, go to our Wi-Fi's, and you'll see it just here. Connect to that. It asks for your password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 on all of them. Click join. It'll pair. Once you got your green tick, blue tick, sorry. So next thing you want to do is download the app, or you can do it before. In your booklet you get with your camera, on one of the pages you'll see a QR code. What you want to do is scan that. Give me a sec, I'll get my camera up. Scan that like so. You'll see that pop up. Click on that. It'll take you to the app store where you can download it, or if you've got another phone, take you to their store. I've already downloaded it, so let's click open. Alright, once you're connected to the Wi-Fi, you've downloaded the app, you'll come to this screen. All you've got to simply do is connect to device, and you'll see a live video right there of what you're seeing on the camera. Right, in this mode here, you can change all the settings, you can view the videos. So what we want to do, click on the settings just here. So you can change your video resolution here. You got a few different to choose from. Your photo resolution, exposure, your record cycle. So right now I've got it set on 3 minutes. So every 3 minutes it'll start a new recording without you pushing anything. Still do a continuous record, but it will save in 3-minute videos. So if saying anything is to happen, it's easy to find. Got a bunch of other different things there. You can reformat your SD card, which is always a good thing to do when using a new SD card. You want to format it, get it in sync and everything like that. If you do have any issues with your SD card, like it's not reading it properly, give it a format. And if you are using anything bigger than a 32 gig, you need to reformat it to a fat 32. You will see the setting there. It's a little bit confusing, but it'll be right. Now, one other awesome feature is to show while you're using the camera, there is, for vloggers, a setting you can do. So if you want to come up close, and once you are connected, you'll see a solid blue light. To start recording, simply push that. It'll turn red like that. It'll be flashing red, so you know it's recording. It will disconnect you from the app, the picture will freeze, but don't worry, it is recording. And so that's using right now the built-in microphone here. If you do want to change it to the intercom, so if you want to vlog or talk over the top, simply push that camera button there while it's recording and it will change to that different microphone. Stop recording, simply push the button, connect to the Wi-Fi again, open the app, you'll be able to see the video there. Now the last feature is to pair it to another intercom. Alright, so here we have one here. It will pair to the S9 as well. To other intercoms, it doesn't have to be the exact same unit. So what we're going to do is turn this one on, same way we did the other one. Right, now what you want to do, instead of holding this to pair to your phone, hold the intercom button. So hold this one down for a few seconds. This will flash red and blue again, but this time it'll be a slow flash, not a fast flash. Just like so. Come to the other unit, do the exact same feature, exact same thing. Push that, it'll go to connect. You'll see the lights disappear in a second and they will flash in blue sync like so. That's when you know they're connected. When they're connected, you can talk to each other. You can connect up to 4 people with these ones. So it's a cool little feature. If you want to go back to your phone, listen to music or make a phone call, simply just tap that same button you used to connect them. It will you'll see the lights will flash unsync. You'll be able to use your phone again. If you want to talk on any of the helmets, simply push that button again and that'll work. They're awesome unit. Check them out. Go to our website, come in store. Happy to give any advice. Thank you.